My son is finally asleep, which means I have about 1 hour to work. Here's exactly what I'm going to focus on to grow my business without wasting time, and three things I recommend that you focus on in your business during your nap time hustle. First, I start with sales. I follow up with my leads. I go into my emails. I check in all of my messages. I check in the back end of my system, see if anybody has inquired about anything that maybe I missed, that maybe my system forgot to tell me. But this is the very first thing that I believe that you should start with as an entrepreneur. If you are a service-based business owner, you need to make, or a product business owner, you need to check on your sales processes, right? So this is going to be, has anyone sent you a message? Has anyone inquired about your services, your offers, or your products? Has anyone emailed you? Has anyone anything, right? We need to check these back end things. This is the first thing that you need to be doing when you put your baby to bed. This is one of the first things that I do when I put my toddler to take his nap every day, because it's important and essential that we're not missing out on money. At the end of the day, if you get nothing done, you should at least connect and communicate with those people who want to join your program, your offer, or buy from you in some capacity, because it's those people who bring in the income that allow your business to continue to grow and scale and see results. It's those people who, when they bring in the income, you're able to pay your bills and take care of all the basic things. So we want to make sure that our potential clients and our clients are at the highest priority of it all. The very next thing that I am going to do when my baby is taking his nap is I'm actually going to create content. Creating content is one of the best ways to ensure that your message is hitting the people it needs to hit. So if you have your content scheduled, that's great. If you haven't scheduled your content or haven't created content, this is going to kind of be the step number 2. This is the next thing that we need to be doing as entrepreneurs in order to ensure that our business is continuing to bring in those leads, right? So step 1 was taking care of those leads. Step 2 is making sure that we can continue to bring in leads. How do we continue to bring in leads? Well, we nurture our audience, wherever your audience may be. Maybe your audience is on Instagram. Maybe your audience is on TikTok. Maybe it's on Pinterest. Maybe it's on YouTube right here. Wherever it is that your audience is, that is where we need to be. We need to make sure that we're posting content consistently. Whatever that means for you, that is what we need to be doing. For me, that means every single day, right? I'm consistent every day. Now, I'm not consistent with the time of day, but I am consistent on a daily basis. And so you want to get the same, you want to do the same thing. We need to be throwing out content out there strategically, not just, we're not throwing spaghetti at the wall, that is going to make an impact and bring in those leads. So that is the second thing that I recommend every mompreneur add to their plate of things to do during the 1 hour or more that their baby is sleeping. Hey, I didn't see you there. The next thing that I like to do when my baby is taking a nap is I like to just make sure that I'm getting down my CEO decision-making tasks done. This is going to be anything like planning, executing, strategizing, right? Right now, I'm sitting down and I'm thinking about all the things that I need to do. There's some automations I still need to put in my business that I've been manually doing that really should be scheduled. So that's what I'm going to take the time to do. You want to get your CEO tasks done too. So all that back end work, all the things that you've been holding on to that you keep putting on that procrastination list, trust me, I know it's pretty long. Start tackling those things in your business, because you will be so surprised how if you just do one of those tasks every single day, your business is going to start to grow. But this is really important. You need to make sure that all the pieces in your business are working. I need to make sure all the pieces in my business are working. And that's why I'm going to go set up automations later today as soon as my husband gets home. But for now, I'm going to document how I want to set them up. Make sure everything is strategic and planned out and laid out for me for my best amount of success in my business. Same for you. You should do the same during your nap time. Whatever that looks like for you and your lifestyle and your business, this is the time to do it. This is the time to get it done and stop procrastinating. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot to introduce myself. Hey bestie, if you don't know who I am, my name is Santa Kovishki. I'm a Christian sales coach, and I teach Christian service providers how to scale their businesses to $20,000 months recurring revenue on repeat. You heard that right. I use my formulated system, PMVMS, which stands for prayer, mindset, visibility, marketing, and sales, to take my clients through a journey that will help them hit $20,000 months in my group coaching program called Consecration Academy. If you're interested in that, check the details in the description below. The link is there for you. Also, can you like this video and subscribe to my channel, please? I would really appreciate that. It allows me to keep showing up and showing you guys great content on all things business and life, motherhood that you need to know so that you can keep growing your business too. So today, you learned the 3 things that I recommend every business owner do during their 1 hour of baby nap time. But if your baby sleeps longer, you can definitely do more things. My baby probably only going to get an hour to 2 hours in. So with that being said, I love you, bestie, and I hope you have a great day.